Okay. Now I want to tell you about how to use the multimeter because this is very important. Here I have two multimeters. This is the this multimeter, digital multimeter, and this is analog multimeter. This is very easy to use. If you know how to use this, will be easy. Okay, because this is just read the number, and that's it. But here, how you can read the number? This is the problem. Okay, if you know how to use this is easy. So I will demonstrate this. Okay, here we use to measure ohm, we can measure voltage, we can measure the ampere. And sometimes we call this as avometer. Avometer coming from ammeter, voltmeter, ohmmeter. Okay, avometer. But, you know, we name it as multimeter. I mean, I can use this for multi things. Okay? Now, what's this? This is the multimeter, but analog. Okay, I have pointer here. Okay. When you finish your work, you should put this button to the 0. Okay? Now, make only one tick. Like this. You will see your pointer is coming in the middle. One tick. This is not coming in the middle, so you can use this adjustment. Okay? You can adjust this middle. I mean, when you work with this, you see your pointer goes right or left. So this is used for reset your pointer on zero value. Okay? We will not work on this range. But you know, when you put it on the red, so you should read from the red range. I have here red range and I have black range, right? Now make another tick and you will see your pointer is coming to the 0. Right? It's coming to the 0. And now your range is what? Is the black one. It's up to mirror and down of the below the mirror. I have two ranges and I will make it here. This is my mirror. I have here range from 0 to 3, here 1 and here 2, and I have here range from 0 to 10 and here it's 5. What's the meaning of these two range? I will tell you. Now, please put your pointer this to 300 volt. Here I have 4 parts. Pay attention please here, and I want to tell you about something. As you see here voltage, but the upper part is for AC and the lower part is for DC. Our circuit here in the lab is all DC. So we always work on the lower parts, okay? Put it on the 300 volt like this pointer. Do you see it? 300 volt. What's the meaning of this? Now I change my device to voltmeter. Now my device is what? Is voltmeter. Okay? Okay. Now I have positive and negative, and now my device is what? Is voltmeter. So this is the terminals of what? Of voltmeter. Now what's the meaning of 300 volt? When I put it on 300, mean my maximum is 300 volt. The maximum value is 300 volt. So I will use the scale of 3 because this is multiple of 3, right? Here the maximum value for the pointer is what? Is 3, right? And I choose 300 volt as a maximum. Mean my maximum now here. So when my pointer coming here, actually this is 300 volt, it's not only 3. So any reading, any value I got it from the voltmeter, I should multiply it by what? By 100 volts. You get the point? 300 volt, and here I have maximum of 3. So when I read, let's say 0.9, if my pointer here and this 0.9, okay, I should multiply 0.9 with what? With 100 volt. Okay, to get the real value. Is that clear? Now put it on 100 volt. Now, mean you select the maximum is what? Is 100 volt. Which scale I should use? I will use the scale of 10 because it's easiest to me, right? So here, the maximum value is what? Is 10. And I choose the maximum value is what? Is 100 volts, right? So I should multiply this range with what? With 10 volts. So now I have the complete definition. I can get the real. I mean, if I read here, let's say this is 2, so 2 with 10, this is 20 volt. The maximum value is 100 volt.
2.4.
Multiplied by 10. That's it. All the range, anything you read, okay, multiply it by 10 volt. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to the last point in this part, and this is 100 millivolt. Last point in the same part. Okay? And here the maximum, he said 100 milli. Actually, this is in the range of volts, so this is 100 millivolt. Mean I make this as 100 millivolt, the maximum. So here the maximum this is 100 millivolt. So I should multiply it by what? By 10 millivolt. This range I should multiply it by 10 because 10 by 10 this gives 100. So the maximum. Okay, so this is the method of reading. Now, if you put it on the next point, this is in the ammeter part, and this is 100 microampere. Now, when you select your maximum to 100 microampere, mean you change your device as what? As a meter. Now this is ammeter, it's not voltmeter. No longer voltmeter. This is ammeter. Okay? And the maximum value is what? Is 100 microampere. Mean I should multiply this. Should be 100 microampere. So this range, I should multiply this range with 10 microampere. Like this. Any reading, any value I got from the pointer, I should multiply it by 10 microampere to get the real value. Clear? Okay. Now my question, what's the reason of mirror? Here I have mirror, right? I have mirror. Why? When you take any reading, if you take it from here, you will get some value. If you take it from here, I mean from angle, you get another value. So how you can take the accurate value as you can to put the image of the pointer exactly behind the pointer. Okay? So your reading will be perpendicular to the meter. Okay? And you will get accurate value.